Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and I want to show you these front WeatherTech no-drill mud flaps here installed on our Ford F-150. Now these are a no-drill product. They use existing holes that live right here near the fender to attach to the vehicle. There's also this little quick turn mechanism that makes installation super simple. Now these are sold as a pair, so you're going to get one mud flap here for the passenger side and a matching for the driver's side, and then there's going to be a separate kit if you want to get the mud flaps for the rear of the vehicle as well. Now these are made by WeatherTech. You may know WeatherTech for their laser fit floor liners and some of their other products, but they make a whole suite of other products for vehicles such as these mud flaps. And these are kind of a similar design. These are vehicle specific. These are contoured for the F-150, and they reuse those existing holes and all of that. So these are going to be very year, make, model specific, but you're going to get all the great things that come with the WeatherTech name, such as the reliability of being made in the USA. A lot of their products are made right outside of Chicago at their facility right there. They're all about being designed, engineered, and manufactured in the USA, so this is a true made in USA product. And another thing about WeatherTech is that these come with a lifetime warranty, so you're going to be protected for the long haul. And overall, these are just a great quality product. Now, if you're looking for a quick and easy product like this to protect your truck or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.